Alrighty. Well, it looks like it is 7 o'clock. So let's get started with our 2022 Topps Tribute Random Team One Box Break number 2. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchase their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got John in the top spot and Al in the bottom spot. So we will cut and paste that against our alphabetical team list. As soon as I change the Indians to the Guardians in said list, luckily they're in the same spot alphabetically. Alrighty, there we go. So of course I will cut and paste this over to the right, and we'll sort it in alphabetical order by everybody's names and then go through and see who has which teams. And we'll go through that list and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, so Al has the Yankees, Anthony has the Astros and the Mets, Daniel has the Pirates and the Red Sox, David M has the White Sox, David W has the Cardinals, Fred has the A's, the Giants, the Orioles, the Royals, and the Tigers, James has the Twins, Jeff has the Marlins, Joel has the Guardians and the Rangers, John has the Angels and the Nationals. Joseph has the Phillies. Lawrence has the Brewers and the Reds. Milani has the Blue Jays and the Cubs. Mike has the Padres. Ronald has the Braves, the Diamondbacks, the Dodgers, the Rays, and the Rockies. And Taylor has the Mariners. Alrighty. So now that we have been through our list, let's open up some packs and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So this is a 6-pack box, and there is a hit in every pack, either an on-card autograph or a game-used memorabilia card, and frankly, an incredibly nice assortment of both. This is probably one of the nicer products that Topps makes all year, really outside of Transcendent. This is really one of the sharper products. And our first card is Dale Murphy for the Braves. And our hit is, whoa, how about that? Little dual jersey, David Ortiz and Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. And that is serial numbered 133 out of 199. And then our last card in the pack is Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Pack number 2. First card is Derek Jeter for the Yankees. And then our hit in pack number 2. Whoa, how about that? Little triple game-used memorabilia card of Nomar for the Red Sox. And that is serial numbered 86 of 99. It's kind of hard to make out the serial number there. It's right above his name. So we've got a jersey swatch, 2 bat swatches, and this is the green parallel, as you can tell by the foil outline around the swatches. Yep, 86 of 99. So the Red Sox spot's got both hits so far. And our last card in the pack is Shohei Ohtani for the Angels. All right, pack number 3. First card is Alex Bregman for the Astros. And then, oh, how about that? Little stamp of approval jersey card of Hunter Dozier for the Royals. And again, it's got that little hologram where it's been authenticated by Major League Baseball. And there's a little code on that hologram, which is really tough to see, but you can kind of make it out there. But anyway, if you type that code into their website, it will tell you the exact game that jersey was used in. Pretty snazzy. And that is serial number 34 of 199 for the Royals. And then our last card in the pack is Jose Altuve for the Astros. So we've got all 3 of our memorabilia hits, so the next 3 packs will all be autograph hits and or autographed memorabilia hits if we're lucky. Pack number 4. First card is JT Realmuto for the Phillies. And then our, whoa, how about that? A little Joe Carter autograph for the Blue Jays. And that is serial numbered 4 of 10. 4 of 10. And then our last card in the pack is Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. All right, on to pack number 5. First card is Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Ooh, how about this? Next card, Solid Gold Greats, Cal Ripken Jr. autograph. Serial numbered 66 out of 80. How about that? Awesome hit for the Orioles spot. Very nice. And our last card in the pack is a Tim Anderson green parallel, serial numbered 90 of 99 for the White Sox. And our last pack. Our first card, Andre Dawson for the Cubs. I have to say it was so awesome for me when he signed with the Cubs. So great watching him every day. And then our autograph is Jake Cousins for the Brewers. And that is serial numbered 128 out of 150. And then our last card in the box is Buster Posey for the Giants. Alrighty, so now that we've opened all the packs in our box, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. Let me pull up the list here, and we'll see who got what. So there is our list. We'll start with our base cards. Our first one is our Buster Posey card for the Giants, and that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. Then next we have Andre Dawson for the Cubs, and that goes to Milani. Congrats on that, Milani. And then next we have Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And that goes to David W. Congrats on that. And then next we have JT Realmuto for the Phillies. And that goes to Joseph. Congrats on that, Joseph. And then next we've got Jose Altuve and Alex Bregman for the Astros. And both of those go to Anthony. Congrats on those, Anthony. And then next we've got Shohei Ohtani for the Angels. And that goes to John. Congrats on that, John. And then next we've got Derek Jeter for the Yankees. And that goes to Al. Congrats on that, Al. And then next we've got Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next we've got Dale Murphy for the Braves spot. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that, Ronald. And then next we have our Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. And the Red Sox spot also gets our Nomar Garciaparra triple swatch memorabilia card and our David Ortiz and Dustin Pedroia dual memorabilia card. And all three of those go to Daniel. Congrats on those, Daniel. Very nice. So then next we've got our base set parallel of Tim Anderson, serial numbered out of 99 for the White Sox. And that goes to David M. Congrats on that. So then next we've got the rest of our hits. And our first one is our Hunter Dozier stamp of approval jersey card that goes to the Royal spot. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next, our three autographs. Our first one is Jake Cousins for the Brewers. And that goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that, Lawrence. And then next, our Joe Carter autograph, serial numbered 4 of 10 to the Blue Jay spot. And that goes to Milani. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then last but certainly not least, our solid gold greats Cal Ripken Jr. autograph, serial numbered to 80 for the Orioles spot. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. Awesome hit. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2022 Topps Tribute Random Team One Box Break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 Mosaic Football Fanatics Mega Box Random Player Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.